The start of Passover is just a few days away, and while the holiday includes some food limitations, you can still pack a meal with plenty of flavor.
And here to show us exactly how to do that with a few of her tastiest recipes, registered dietitian and author of Secrets of a Kosher Girl, Beth Warren. Beth, thanks so much for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, this is an exciting time, and you brought just a beautiful, beautiful display with you.
Well,
so
Passover comes with its challenges, but there's still delicious food to eat, so I get really excited by food. Really excited.
So, real quick, I was going to say, for those of us that do... Tell us a little bit about Passover.
Okay, with Passover, the biggest hard part about it is the fact that we can't eat certain foods.
Okay.
Any bread that had time to rise, we cannot eat, which is why we eat something called unleavened bread, which you may know as matzah.
As matzah, yes!
The matzah ball.
Yes.
So matzah is like a cracker, but I'm going to show you so many options you could do on Passover that one of them has matzah in it, but there's still plenty of ingredients we could utilize.
Awesome.
And is that basically the one limitation as far as what you can't eat? Is that
yes,
bread that
rise, but that transfers to a lot of food products. So any store-bought cookies, anything with gluten really that had a chance to rise in the regular store, because no one's taking it out before 18 minutes, which is the amount of time you need for it to rise.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So you brought us, food that's really going to pack a punch and keep us feeling
But it's really for any time of year.
Yeah,
so I'm sure you guys are going to leave wanting to make it.
Okay.
I love it.
So what's our first?
I have to start with veggie first, being a registered dietitian.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you this almond butter coleslaw. I'm using almond butter because peanuts, usually this recipe has peanuts, and that's a legume family, so a lot of people don't eat that on Passover either.
Okay.
Okay.
So I had a half
lot.
a cup of almond butter, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar.
Oh, I thought that was the final product right there. It looks so good.
No.
Nice. Okay.
More
perfect.
secrets.
Yeah, this is great.
This is a little bit of ginger, actually. You can use fresh or dried.
Okay.
And this is just some minced garlic, too. Yeah, that's it. So it's a little bit of an Asian. We're getting the Asian to the Jewish Passover here.
All right. I like it.
Changing.
And you just already brought, just the prepackaged.
Yes, and
slaw.
these days there's so many varieties of it.
I love it.
And just throw that in. There's just
This
crushed apricot.
I love
dried
it.
apricot and sliced almonds. You could use walnuts. You could use any dried cranberries. You could use anything you want. And then we're just gonna pour the dressing right in there. See, everyone gets involved.
I love it.
All hands on deck.
Now, how did you
That's the
get
best
into
part.
cooking? Did you kind of grow up making
Yeah,
a
I
lot of
always
these?
loved food, and in our culture, we cook a lot. We're always in the kitchen from a young age, so I loved food always. I love to eat it. I love to cook it. And then with Passover and the challenges, I love to show people whole food choices they could have and still be delicious for any time of year, really.
All right. Well, we got to move on to the matzah ball.
Talk about the soup.
I couldn't come on here without at least showing you matzo ball soup.
Yes.
This is something that's brought down in all our generations, but every family has a different spin. So I have some Moroccan culture in me.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so I'm going to show you my secret ingredient to my soup is actually turmeric.
Oh, okay.
So turmeric is a nice anti-inflammatory spice, but it's very popular in Moroccan cuisine.
Okay.
So all I did here was I sauteed an onion with all these veggies. Of course, I'm going to lube them. I have carrots, parsnips, some leeks, sweet potatoes. We don't put pumpkin in the fall.
Okay. That's a good little switch up.
Celery and cilantro is another Moroccan twist on this. If you don't like it, you could do parsley, but it adds a lot of flavor. It's all about the flavor. You add the water. I throw in some garlic too. Let it all get together. But you have to make the matzo ball separately. You want to hear that secret?
Yes, please.
Yeah,
So
I was
the
going to
secret
say.
to a fluffy matzo ball is actually putting club soda or seltzer in the mixture.
Really?
Yeah, the bubbles or the fizz must make it really fluff up.
Oh.
And you put just eggs, matzah meal, so that's crushed up matzah that we spoke about, salt, a little oil, that's it.
Okay, so you do the matzah balls themselves separate. You do your soup, and then you just kind of drop them in at the end.
Awesome.
And then the chicken, of course, we was in the soup as well.
Despite the bread limitations, you can make muffins,
Yes.
right? And you brought an example.
That's my favorite part because who doesn't love dessert?
Right.
Yeah. And also everyone's always looking for a treat or something to eat for breakfast. So this is great for people who are gluten-free, and this is great for all of us to have all the time anyway.
Awesome.
So these are my chocolate almond butter muffins because I felt like it would be a nice twist to make it a little bit chocolatey.
Nice.
So we have 1 cup of almond butter.
Okay.
That's a lot, but that's because they're almond butter muffins, right?
Yeah.
And you might, consistency almond butter to different brands I find is a little different, so you might need a little more liquid to loosen it up.
Okay.
We have 1 mashed banana.
All right.
Okay, it's gonna add
So I know
some
you're going to finish kind of putting in everything here.
Yeah.
Real quick, what is your book? Because I know you have all of these
Secrets
recipes.
of a Kosher Girl. Yes.
Secrets?
And it's very whole food based.
Okay, fantastic. All right, we're going to finish making this, and we will see you on the other side of the break for maybe a little taste test?
Yes.
Yes.
For sure.
So it's 2 eggs.